Hi, what's up with you, Yaroslav Shvets? Super brief video about the thumbnail creator for your YouTube. So if you use application from vidIQ or TB, TubeBuddy or whatever, you can create a thumbnail less than in a minute right here. So basically, if you want to choose some of the part of your video, you can choose any part on your timeline and add some text, little bit adjusted, choose a color, and that's it. It's something what helpful for your channel and what might attract other people to your video and so on. Of course, in other case, you can choose any part of video what YouTube proposed to you, or you can make some real nice picture, let's say making a Photoshop with any signs you want, and you can edit straight to your video. Or if you want to save time, you can use thumbnail creator from any application what we have tons now on the market, so you can choose what more convenient to you. Alright, so thank you for watching and see you later.